Hey guys, it's Mary. So it's middle of November and I finally got the last of my Crafter's Companion birthday week orders. I know birthday week went for 2 weeks, but some of them came quick because they sent them DHL Express. Some of them came slow because they went commerce and you don't know when they're coming or where they're at. They just show up. I still have one more order, but it was done after birthday week. So I trust that that one's coming slow also because I haven't gotten a DHL Express. But I wanted to share with you what I got. I did place four orders on birthday week, or the 2 weeks. So, you know, they were giving away the bag. So, of course, so now I have 4 of these bags, which are nice, and I'll figure out something to do with all of them. But then I got 4 of the pins, which this year is the brush markers, but it is the same color as last year's tri-blend, but that was in the regular tip. But this order came with a lavish lace embossing folder, and it's a slimline embossing folder. So so that'll be nice. And so the last order that I got, I had got the Bell Countryside paper, and then I thought I should have gotten the horse, and so I ended up getting the horse this time because I realized I've got a lot of unicorns, but I don't have a horse. So I got the horse to go with the Bell Countryside. And then they came out with the new Intri'lace. And there's a set that I had gotten, and then this was the new set, and they had a bundle, but in the bundle was, I think, 2 or 3 of the 6x6 or 5x5s. And since I usually don't send those because it costs more for postage. So I just did these individuals. So I got the floral lattice and the decadent hearts, which I think is really pretty. And then the floral fretwork. And supposedly, the new technology is it cuts deep and it's a cleaner cut. It says, add a touch of elegance to your designs with a stylish deep cut created card die sets. They're perfect for matting and layering and create fabulous frames and beautiful apertures that will delight your recipients. The intricate nature of these beautiful designs produce stunning results that are guaranteed to impress your recipients. So I like anything that'll make a background. So I thought I'd give those a try. And they've been demoing these. I don't even know what they call it. They're the stamp and die, but it makes it look 3-dimensional. And so you stamp twice. It's 2 stamps, and then you die cut on top of it, and so it gives it that dimension. It says, each set creates a shadow effect word for your card and more. Simply stamp the full shadow stamp, align and stamp the more detailed shadow stamp, and then adhere the die cut word on top to complete the shadow effect word. Complete your sentiment by using the additional stamps included. So I thought I'd try this one because I send a lot of thinking of you cards, and I had, with the discounts and stuff, I had to get something to get to that $125, so I got free shipping. So this put me over the edge. So I thought, well, I'll give that a try. The ones that I saw that they were doing, I mean, some of them were really cute, and some of them, they were a hot mess as far as I was concerned. So we shall see. So the big set that I got, a collection, was of the new Botanical 3D effect embossing folders, and they were just beautiful. So comes with cherry blossom, the dahlias, the gerberas, hellebores. These are part of the anemone family, so I've never heard it be called that, but peonies, roses, sunflowers, and tulips. And I just thought that they were absolutely gorgeous when they used them. So I don't know that I have any shiny paper, but let's see what we could. Let's try one and see. We'll try the cherry blossoms. I just love cherry blossoms. I wish there was a magnolia. They seem to really like roses and peonies all the time, which I have no issue with roses and peonies, but a magnolia would be really pretty sometime. So they're real deep. So let's see. Oh, too small. I'm trying to find one that will fit. Oh, that'll fit. It doesn't have much color, but let's try this one. Let me cut this. And we'll see what it looks like. Let me put the flat edge in. And we'll see. Let me get my nibby. I think if I recall, since it's 3-dimensional, I don't need to do anything else or use anything else. So let's see if I recall correctly. All right, yeah. Let me take this off. You can't say that these things don't have good suction cups, that's for sure. All right. So there it is. Look at that. Look at the detail. It's just amazing. And this is just beige paper. The detail, look at the little stamens. It's just gorgeous. Just gorgeous. So I'm really excited to use these. And they'll be pretty to add a little color to. And I think they're raised enough that you just take a light brush, you know, with color. I don't know if there's any color left on this. Maybe. Let me see. See if I can find something that has got color left on it. Nope. How about this one? Oh yeah, a little bit. Oh, there we go. See, it stands out enough that you can do the color without getting too much on the background. Even just the stamens right there. If this was a white sheet, look at how pretty that is already. Yeah, that's going to be gorgeous. I'm so excited to use these. So, and then the last thing I got with this order is I went and got the collector's edition. It says all new and exclusive colors, so I'm trusting that they're not lying about that. It has the colors back here. So, but the cool thing is, besides new colors, the tricolor metallic is brand new, so haven't gotten a chance to use one of those yet. And I do have the glitter pins, but these are new colors. That is not a new color, that's just a clear, which we all have. If you into their glitter pins, sparkle pins. But, and the acrylic paint, I haven't tried any of those. So it was a good deal. It was birthday week, and so I thought I'd give it a try. So this is a brush. These are the regular nibs. There's a aqua, tricolor aqua, tricolor metallic. The classique is Mystic Blue, which is supposed to be a new color. So I'm looking forward to trying those. I got a lot of the, in the last order, I got a lot of the Totally Tiffany storage, her new, I think it is slide and store, or store and slide or something, containers, because I'm trying to organize. But that'll be after I recuperate from the surgery that I'm, carpal tunnel surgery I'm having. So I'm anxious to kind of get more organized. So, so that's it. I'm I'm happy with these Botanical 3D folders. And these new Intri'lace, as they call them. So if you picked up any of these goodies on birthday week, let me know what you got. Let me know how you've used it. If you're still waiting for an order, if you've gotten all your orders. I was blessed that all 4 orders came complete. Nothing was missing, nothing. So, and you know, that's a big deal. It is a big deal. So, I was very happy about that. So, yeah, so that's it. Let me know in the comments what you got and if you've used anything yet. So, all right, so until next time, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing if you're a subscriber. Until the next one, stay safe and well, and happy crafting. Bye-bye.